Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and it's time for me to pick the winner of the autumn giveaway. And I'm talking about the autumn giveaway with all of these wonderful fall colors. Just look at those amazing colors there on my screen. I did not get a chance to show you the Notions pouch, so here is the Notions pouch that will come with this giveaway. It's got an alpaca and some chickens on it. It's one that I thought was cute, so I just wanted to make sure you guys knew what the Notions pouch looked like. Alright, so I'm going to come over here to the YouTube comment picker. So this is the video URL, and I've filtered out duplicate users, only one entry per person. I filtered comments based on the specific text, and that was fall. I had asked if you wanted to enter to put the word fall somewhere in your comment. I excluded myself from it because I know that I responded to a lot of you guys, but I can't remember if I used the word fall, but I'm just making sure I'm covering all my bases. And 6 plus 9 is 15, I'm pretty sure. So we are going to find out how many people entered this giveaway right now. 446 people have entered this giveaway. Alright, so you have a 1 in 446 chance of winning if you were one of the people who entered. Alright, so I am going to hit this button. You're going to see some random names pop up, and it's going to land on one, and that will be the winner. So 3, 2, 1, start. And the winner is Kelly Minier. Oh my goodness, look at this awesome comment she left me. Okay. Hi, Kassi and guest star Kitty. Oh yeah, my cat baby shaman was in this video a lot. I love that calming coloring book with the granny squares, so we can color them to help us decide what colors of yarn to use when we crochet the granny squares. Oh, and the pink sheep stitch marker is adorable. I would definitely enjoy the puzzle because my granddaughter will do it with me, and notebooks and journals are kind of my addiction. Yeah, they're mine too. I can't resist, especially on sale. I have a great idea for the pumpkin bag if I win. I love all the colors of yarn you chose. Fall is my favorite season. I love everything about it. Fall colors are beautiful, and all the different colors of leaves are just gorgeous. Thank you for the giveaway. You put a lot of awesome items in it. I really hope to win. Good luck, everyone. And Kelly, guess what? You did win. I'm so excited for you. All right, Kelly, so what I need from you is to email me. You can find my email in the description box or in the first comment to this video. I always have my email address in the first comment to the video and in the description box for anybody who wants to get a hold of me. And that email address is nichecraftwithcassie@gmail.com, but make sure that you check to make sure that it is spelled correctly. And for those of you who didn't win, no worries. I have another giveaway that I will be posting within the next 24 hours. I've got all of the different yarns and notions for it. I just have to put it together on the table and then record. So I've just kind of been dragging my feet on that. I've been really tired today. So anyway, I'm going to get that up. No worries, within the next 24 hours. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.